Your mind should be a sanctuary, not a battlefield. If your mind has been racing or overthinking, this session is for you. Let's gently quiet the mental noise and return to peace. Repeat after me, and let these affirmations create space and calm in your mind. My mind won't stop racing. My mind is becoming still and clear. My mind is becoming still and clear. I can't stop overthinking. I release the loop of repetitive thoughts. I release the loop of repetitive thoughts. What if keeps playing in my head. I am choosing peace over what if. I am choosing peace over what if. My thoughts control me. My thoughts do not define my reality. My thoughts do not define my reality. I need to analyze everything. I am letting go of the need to overanalyze. I am letting go of the need to overanalyze. I can't quiet my mind. I am resting my mind right now. I am resting my mind right now. I have to think about it constantly. I choose to focus on the present moment. I choose to focus on the present moment. My brain never switches off. I am safe to stop thinking for a while. I am safe to stop thinking for a while. I'm trapped in my thoughts. I am not my thoughts. I am the stillness behind them. I am not my thoughts. I am the stillness behind them. I need to solve everything now. I release the need to solve everything right now. I release the need to solve everything right now. My mind is too loud. I am quieting the inner noise. I am quieting the inner noise. I can't focus on anything else. I am giving my brain permission to rest. I am giving my brain permission to rest. Thoughts keep spiraling. I am letting thoughts pass by like clouds. I am letting thoughts pass by like clouds. I have to figure out the how. I am safe to let go of the how. I am safe to let go of the how. Overthinking is ruining my peace. I am returning to the here and now. I am returning to the here and now. I can't silence the worry. I am choosing silence over chatter. I am choosing silence over chatter. My mind feels chaotic. I am untangling my mind from worry. I am untangling my mind from worry. I need to keep thinking to stay safe. I am at peace with not knowing. I am at peace with not knowing. I can't stop the mental noise. I am dropping into the quiet of my heart. I am dropping into the quiet of my heart. Overthinking exhausts me. I am releasing the pressure to figure it out. I am releasing the pressure to figure it out. I'm stuck in analysis paralysis. I am a calm observer of my mind. I am a calm observer of my mind. My thoughts never slow down. I am inhaling calm and exhaling overthinking. I am inhaling calm and exhaling overthinking. I have to keep going over it. My thoughts are slowing down to a gentle pace. My thoughts are slowing down to a gentle pace. I can't escape my worries. I am safe in this quiet space. I am safe in this quiet space. What ifs control my mind? I am letting go of the what ifs and embracing what is. I am letting go of the what ifs and embracing what is. My brain feels overwhelmed. I am clear and focused. I am clear and focused. I can't turn my mind off. I am letting go of mental exhaustion. I am letting go of mental exhaustion. Overthinking makes me anxious. I am choosing to be present with my breath. I am choosing to be present with my breath. I need constant mental control. I am trusting the silence. I am trusting the silence. My mind is a mess. My mind is a calm, deep lake. My mind is a calm, deep lake. I can't stop the racing thoughts. I am releasing the need for mental control. I am releasing the need for mental control. Overthinking ruins everything. I am at ease with my own mind. I am at ease with my own mind. I'm exhausted from thinking. I am finding peace in the pauses between thoughts. I am finding peace in the pauses between thoughts. I can't focus because of worry. I am not distracted by irrelevant worries. I am not distracted by irrelevant worries. My mind never gives me peace. I am choosing mental freedom. I am choosing mental freedom. Feel the quiet settling in your mind. Thank you for giving yourself this peaceful moment. I will see you soon.